The system provides you with the flexibility to analyze your BI data through different reporting tools. The first one is a report manager. Enter BI in the search field and a list of reports allowing BI analysis will appear. The Balance Sheet by BI Code by Period report lets you view your balance sheet broken down by BI codes and displaying the monthly movement or year-to-date values per period. If you have set up dimensions to report by, location, regions, or branches, this report is very useful. It is important to bear in mind that even though BI codes can be assigned to all transactions, some GL accounts cannot be analyzed or split, for example, with control accounts or bank accounts. The extended business analysis and reporting by BI code or dimension, this report can be viewed as a profit and loss balance sheet or as a full trial balance view for the selected dimensions or BI codes. The data can be viewed for a chosen financial period at either GL category level or at a more detailed level of GL codes. This report also includes drill down capability. The General Ledger Audit Trail by BI Code is a particularly useful report to review all posted transactions in the system for certain or all BI codes. The Profit and Loss by BI Code report is another report that provides a standard profit and loss view with BI Code analysis. You can also include budget figures to review your performance. Profit and Loss by BI Code Multiple Years report will display a standard profit and loss with BI level analysis and compare it across multiple financial years based on your selection. Trial Balance by BI Code displays a list of all GL accounts grouped by category and subcategory and filtered by BI Code. This report can be viewed for one or multiple periods and one or more BI codes. Last but not least, within the Extended Business Analysis group, the Analysis Structure Mapping report is useful to review internally within your teams your active BI structure and all your BI codes, and if any further development or changes are needed. Next, the GL Explorer also analyzes your data by dimensions. You can analyze one dimension at a time or overall for the whole company. For example, analyze the performance of a department or a location or a project. Actual versus budget, or this month versus last month. There is no side-by-side analysis of multiple departments or multiple locations. That kind of analysis can be achieved through the Report Manager. The Transaction Browser tool can also be used to analyze your data and BI codes. Depending on what stage you are at on your month-end process, you can edit BI codes on transactions, process the edits, and then reanalyze them. The BI code description field can also be added to the grid if needed. Please refer to the Transaction Browser video in the Reporting and Data Queries course for more details on using the Transaction Browser. The Excel add-in is used to extract raw data from the system into Excel, allowing you to create custom reports using pivot tables. These reports also allow for BI code analysis. Examples include the Profit and Loss income statement or management accounts datasets. The Profit and Loss by Dimension and BI Code dashboard is another reporting tool to carry out your analysis. Select the dimensions you want to view, and all the charts on the page will update accordingly. If you are looking for reports to analyze at consolidation level, log into your consolidated entity and the Report Manager provides some reports. The GL Explorer is also available at consolidation level and can be diced by dimensions and elements, adding a whole new layer of the GL structure and chart of accounts. And last but not least, the OData Connector can be used to analyze data in Power BI or in the Excel tool for either one company or a group of companies.